Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday, March the 7th, 2022. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 star Sudoku, the 3 star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve, and the first one I will solve is a 3 star Sudoku. Then I will do a binary, and the last one I will do is a tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars, yes. And this one will be number 4223. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column, the second column. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 here in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Alright, then how about a 4 in this column? 4 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1 and number 4. Alright. Then. How about the 9 in the third column? The 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in the first row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the last column, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright, then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 1. We have a 2 and a 1 in the first row. So no 2 and a 1. Oh, wait. We already have a 2 here. Okay, so then it will be difficult. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Okay, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. Excuse me. So on a row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, so no 8 in this box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 8. How about the 2 and the 6? Okay, 7. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the third row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 7. How about 2, 5, 6. Then the 3. Well. 1, 5, 6. Yeah. Let me see. 5, 5. 5. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then, how about 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. Here 1 in this row, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay. Alright, I cannot continue with the 1. How about 6 and 5? 6, 5 and 2. Interesting. Let me see. Come on. 5, 8, 9, 4. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Yeah. Come on. It's taking too long. 6. 3 and 5. Wow. Come on. 8, 9, 6, 1, 1. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. No. Let me put some numbers. It's taking too long. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, the middle row. So in that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2. So I need a 2 here. 2, 2. 2, 2. I cannot continue with the 2 now. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. No. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 and the 8, I believe. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 3 and a 5. 6. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, or there in this big square. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. Alright. Okay. Well. 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 5, I believe. 3 and a 5. Still, I cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5 are left here. 3 and the 5 are left here. In this row. 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 5, 5, 5. 3, 5, and 2. I'm missing the 2, yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. That means we need a 2 in these 3 missing numbers. Yes. We have a 2 there in this column. So no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 7 in the last column. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Will be difficult. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. 3, 6, and the 5 are missing. We need a 5 here. In this big square, that means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. Yeah. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. 1 box left in the first column for the number 5. Okay. That means 5, 5. We need a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Here can be 5, 5, 5. Here should be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. 1, the 2 is missing here. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 5 could be everywhere. And the 6 could be also everywhere. Yeah. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5 are missing here. Yeah. 6. Here cannot be a 6. And this box cannot be a 6 because we need a 6 in one of those 3 boxes. So this box should be a 3. 3. Yes. That means that this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 here. I've marked those 2 boxes, 6 and a 5. So this box should be a 5. That box should be a 6. This box, 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Now I have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Then 6 and 8, we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be an 8. I've marked those 2 boxes with 8. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. So 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and the 3 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 3. Need a 3 here also. These 2 boxes, 2 and the 3 are missing. 2 and a 3 are missing. 2 and a 3 are missing. 2 and a 3. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5. Now we have a 5 there. This box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. So here we have 2 and a 6 as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So we already have a 3 here. 2 and a 6. 2 and... we have a 6 here. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 2. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. The 2 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes down. 1 box left in this row for number 2. 3 in this row. 3 in the last row. So the row be 3. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Final number of this big square for number 1. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Before I leave, let me mark those center boxes because I'm interested. I'm analyzing for 5 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. We have here the 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 8, 2, 9. 8 to 9. The 3 as a pair. The 9 as a pair. 2 pairs. Yeah, 2 pairs. Thank you for watching. And I will see you later. Bye-bye for now.